My mom had took me to a church event and she left me with the deacon and he sexually assaulted me. I told my parents. They claimed I was a liar. I left Orlando and headed for Atlanta, Georgia with a friend of mine at the time. After we'd gotten there, she told me I couldn't stay with them any longer. The only person I knew in the area was the man I had met, so I called him. That's when everything changed. I basically was forced into this sex traffic ring. I was abused by several of the traffickers. They made me take drugs so that I was easier to control. Shortly after that, there was a shootout. I realized this is my chance. The police are being called. More people heard this than just me. I saw it as a good opportunity to escape. I was lucky to escape the situation I was in. A lot of women aren't so lucky, and the traffickers are able to continue what they're doing like normal. That's why I decided to take action against them. When In the Life Law took my case, I finally felt taken care of. Even after the case was settled, In the Life Law continued to help me. They set me up with a financial advisor and a trustee. I went through with the case because I wanted to help other women that may have gone through the same thing that I've been through. They changed my life, and I couldn't be happier with the way I was taken care of.
We think that we can make a broader impact by making hotels change their behavior. Traffickers are looking to make money off of selling children over and over again, and so they go to places that they think will allow them to do this. These hotels are making a decision. It's more profitable for me to rent to these people. Well, we'd like to say that if you do that, you're going to get hit with a lawsuit. We want them to change their mind frame in the hotel industry and see that if you see something, you say something, and you get law enforcement involved, and you rescue these people.
My occupation is I'm an attorney. I practice in estate planning, probate, trust law, and business law. As the trustee, really what I do is I act as the gatekeeper. I make sure that they have the money that is intended for them for what they went through, and that money doesn't go to someone else. I would definitely recommend In the Life Law. I have seen the things that they have done to help these young ladies and young men. I work within the Life Law because I want to make sure that there's someone in their corner no matter what.
We see this as taking a person on from the beginning and providing these wraparound services or connecting them to the right partners all the way through the end. Forcera, for example, takes women that have been trafficked that are pregnant and helps them all the way through their pregnancy. So having someone to keep them stable while we're doing the lawsuit, we hopefully in the long term will make a real impact.
Forcera was founded in 2005. I actually named the organization after my daughter. I am a survivor from the sex industry. I was a dancer and was called out of that lifestyle in 2003. Through that, I felt that I should be a resource to help women. I definitely recommend In the Life Law to any survivor. It might be your story that comes forward that leads other girls to come forward and share their story as well.
Success to us is when they come back and say, I've turned the corner. But for this, I don't know if I could have. If you or someone you know is a survivor of sex trafficking, contact inthelifelaw.com. We're here to help you change your life trajectory.